HumanTech is about sustainability, inclusion, and overall thinking about well-being of the employees and everyone in this world. So it's not a secret that factories also have hazards, problems, have people who work every day in, I would say, not always very comfortable conditions. So HumanTech also has a part of its research that devotes its effort in understanding what might be done better by enabling technologies, by enabling kind of actions, by means of new tools, new developments, new approaches, so as to have better places to work. I would add that basically this research uses technology as an enabler, so as to understand how to make people work better. What better is being productive, because this is essential for companies, but also feeling like better in terms of well-being.
When we talk about the use of technologies, digital technologies in the workplace, a very interesting topic is understanding how these technologies can enable inclusion of diverse type of people, inclusion of people of different genders, with different competencies. But at the same time, using digital technologies may engender exclusion of some types of people. For instance, people who don't have the necessary skills to use these technologies. And as a consequence, you might need to increase the knowledge of people to provide them with new competencies in order to enable them to effectively use technologies in the workplace. So this relationship between the usage of digital technologies in the workplace and inclusion of people, of diverse type of people, is definitely a fascinating research area for the HumanTech project.
For me, HumanTech is a great opportunity to develop knowledge that allow companies to design for organizational models that exploit technology to put people at the center. This can mean several things, and all the projects that we are having and are developing in the research line are contributing to this aim in different ways. For example, one of the main discussion that we are having is about the kind of impacts and performances that we want to measure to assess not only profit but also people well-being and societal impact.
My research domain is entrepreneurial finance, and I'm involved in a project studying how the digitalization and digital technologies within entrepreneurial finance impact the inclusivity of entrepreneurial finance ecosystem. In this project, we are interested in investigating if having access to digital financial channels like crowdfunding or initial coin offerings helps entrepreneurs that usually belong to marginalized categories like female entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs belonging to ethnic minorities or entrepreneurs located far from the big entrepreneurial ecosystem cities or the big VC hubs. So our aim is to try to understand whether digital technologies really puts humans at the center of entrepreneurial finance ecosystem and support marginalized entrepreneurs in their access to capital.
My research topic is about creation, development of a comprehensive ergonomic assessment tool that works in the Industry 5.0 environment. So the goal is to develop this tool that works on different aspects of the biomechanical load, of the cognitive load of the operators that works in the industrial sector. So the idea of this project is to develop a comprehensive view of the work environment and the workload and what the operator has to do. So the objective is to guarantee both the productivity and the well-being of the operator so that they work in the perfect environment.